The Undiscovered World into the Space. Saksham and his friends are trapped on a planet full of aliens. What could go wrong? Saksham is a 19-year-old boy, who with his friend Alex and Himang, get trapped on a planet full of creepy aliens. Somehow they manage to find a place to live, thinking it will help them get back. After overcoming many difficulties, they find the king of the planet, Artingo, who is very cruel. They fight and get their way back to their home, saving the other hostages trapped there. Saksham tells about his experiences in his autobiography, which he named The Undiscovered World into the Space. The author of this book is Saksham Pandita. The Undiscovered World into the Space is currently available worldwide on Amazon, Flipkart, Amazon Kindle and Notion Press. Links to buy The Undiscovered World into the Space are given below. The Undiscovered World into the Space. You can also read my other book, Mystery of the Golden Palace.